3. Solve the equations 4x plus 7y is equal to 29 and x plus 3y is equal to 11. Let us suppose 4x plus 7y is equal to 29, equation 1, and x plus 3y is equal to 11, equation 2. To eliminate x, we multiply equation 1 by 1 and equation 2 by 4. For equal coefficient of x, 4x plus 7y is equal to 29 multiplied by 1 and x plus 3y is equal to 11 multiplied by 4. So 4x plus 7y is equal to 29 and 4x plus 12y is equal to 44. By subtracting, cut 4x to 4x and minus 5y is equal to minus 15. Minus plus. Or y is equal to 15 by 5, cut 15 by 5, 3. Now putting the value of y in equation, first we find the value of x. 4x plus 7y is equal to 29. 4x plus 7 into 3 is equal to 29. Our 4x plus 21 is equal to 29. Our 4x is equal to 29 minus 21 is equal to 8. Our x is equal to 8 by 4 is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Answer.